title of this mini podcast is, How Skilled Are You? I'm constantly amazed by people who have skills I don't have. Watching the Olympics, I'm in awe. Flip on the DIY network, same thing. People fixing and building things I can't even pretend to understand. Read about someone inventing a mind-blowing new gadget? Yep, I'm reminded once again of everything I can't do. That seems to be our collective obsession, focusing on skills we don't have. Now, for some, that's a motivational strategy to go get what they want. For most, however, it's a blueprint to stay stuck. We compare ourselves to the best of the best, or to Photoshop perfection, and suddenly our own skills feel, well, tiny, not impressive, not enough. But here's the sticky wicket. When we don't appreciate the skills we already have, it's almost impossible to take the next step towards improving them. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, I went to a management seminar. The leader asked us to rate the skills of the people who worked for us on a scale of 1 to 10. Simple enough. Then he said something that stuck with me. No matter what number someone scored, your goal was not to get them to a 10. If they were a 6, your job was to help them become a 7. Not a 10, not yet. Think about how often we shoot for a 10 when we're realistically a 5. That gap creates nothing but frustration, and usually we blame ourselves. But if you can honestly assess where you are, you have a much better chance of getting where you'll want to go. The trick is not expecting yourself to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Progress starts with accepting where you are right now. If you downplay your current skills, you never get moving. We all have skills, but we've been conditioned to discount them if they don't match the very top people in the field. And sure, maybe we'll never reach a 10. That doesn't matter. What matters is moving from a 3 to a 4, or from a 6 to a 7. That's not lowering expectations, it's beating inertia. Most people shoot for a 10, even when they're sitting at a 3. It's the American way, go big or go home. And usually we end up going nowhere. The real key is simple. Assess your skills honestly, then create a plan to get to the next number. That's the only goal that matters. Because when you try to accomplish something your current skills can't support, the outcome is predictable. You stall, you stop, you start again, you stop again, all because patience wasn't part of the plan. Do the small things consistently, and the big things take care of themselves. So assess where you are today, and aim for just one number higher. That's how momentum starts. All the best, John.